Hello, beautiful person watching. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some air fryer mustard barbecue ribs. These ribs are so delicious and I cannot wait to share the recipe with you. But before we do, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Bena. Thank you so much for watching. Please do consider taking a moment to hit that red subscribe button. Also like and share this video and turn on your notification bell because I do upload healthy air fryer recipes every week so you do not miss a thing. Thank you so much and let's jump right in. So to start, I have my pork side ribs right here. This is about half a rack and I just went ahead and washed it, and I also dried it properly, and I also did remove the membrane that's in here, the thick membrane. You can remove it, or if you want to leave it, that's up to you. These ones are really thick inside, as you can see. And here I have my dried spices. So here I have some black pepper, chicken bouillon seasoning. I have some salt right there, some thyme, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and some roasted garlic. And over here I'm going to be using some Dijon mustard. You can use any mustard that you prefer. So what I did was I poured some in here, and I also added a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, so it's just gonna help me to work with it easily. So let's start marinating our ribs. So we are going to start first of all by going in with our mustard, and I'm just going to rub it generously. So this mustard is going to help tenderize our ribs, and it's also going to help the ribs absorb the seasoning properly as well. So I'm just going to rub it before we go in with our dry seasoning, our dry rub. Flip it on the other side. I also have a dry rub here. I just went ahead and I mixed everything up to combine. So I'm just going to generously pour it on both sides. And please make sure you check the description box. I'm going to link all the ingredients and the measurements right in the description box. I'll flip it on the other side and I'll repeat the process. So it's been properly marinated on both sides. Just flip it over. And I'm going to put it right in our air fryer basket. I'll do it skin facing down first. I'm going to pop this into the air fryer. And I'm going to start first 380 for 25 minutes. We are definitely going to check it and see how it's doing after 25 minutes. So 25 minutes later, and this is how our ribs are looking. Smells so good in my kitchen. And I'm just going to go ahead and just flip them over. Okay. And I'm going to pop them back into the air fryer for 10 minutes. And then I'll show you the next step. 370 for 10 minutes, and then we'll check and see how it looks like 10 minutes later. And let's check. Ooh, just look at that. Just look at those ribs. They look gorgeous, don't they? They smell so good in here, and oh my goodness. The flavor combination from the dry rub is just amazing. I'm just gonna go in right now. Next step, with our barbecue sauce. So what I am using this sugar-free barbecue sauce. Typically I'll just pour it on. I would make my own barbecue sauce, but I ran out. So what I did was I just grabbed this sugar-free one from the store. From my local grocery store. You can use any barbecue sauce that you prefer, that you like. Just going to rub this in like this. Gorgeous. Okay, I think this is looking good. I'm just going to pop this right into the air fryer. I'll crank up the heat. $400 for 5 more minutes, and we'll see how it's looking like. Just look at that. Looks so gorgeous. I'm just gonna let them cool down and then I'll show you how it looks like inside. The ribs look so juicy inside. They were so delicious and we really enjoyed them. I hope you really get to try this recipe out soon with your family. You will love it, I promise you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so. Share this video with your family and friends, and also turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any healthy air fryer recipes that I share every week. Thank you so much, and until I come your way next time with something healthy, delicious in the air fryer, please continue to drink lots of water, stay healthy, be well. Thank you. Bye.